It was on sale.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
$10, and he picked up.
Today we got a package, and this is not working. And I got this package from Lisa, and I'm trying to get on her channel. So this is her channel. It's me, Lisa MG. You guys can see that. Yeah, check out her channel. But she's the one that sent me this. Thank you so much, Lisa. So I don't know what's in here. So we're gonna open. Looks like, oh my gosh. This palette here. Wow. Thank you so much, Lisa. I was looking at this on, what is it called? Ulta. I never, when I had it in my cart, and then when I looked, it was gone. Wow, look at that. Love it. I love green. Green is my favorite. Wow. Thank you so much. And then we have this palette for pressed powder palette. Yeah, that is beautiful. These are beautiful colors. It's beautiful packaging too. All this has glitter in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like a glitter in it. It doesn't say anything about glitter. Well, it says not intended for use in your immediate eye area. That's beautiful. Let's look what this one says. This one doesn't say that. Maybe it's on the box. So this is a pressed powder palette. So I'm thinking it would be the same for not for the immediate eye area. But this was made in the US. Made in the US. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out, let's see if my phone went off, Lisa's channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and God bless.